Hello, it's Bill, the knee pain guru. Today we're going to talk about manipulation under anesthesia to increase range of motion. This is a very common practice by the conventional medical model. Scar tissue builds up in the knee. The knee decreases the range of motion, meaning you're not getting full extension or full flexion in the knee. So the doctors propose, well, we're going to put you under anesthesia, which means make you unconscious, and then we're going to manipulate the knee to break down the scar tissue so you can have the range of motion back. And the reason why they're able to do that, this is very interesting. The reason why the doctors are able to do that is because the nervous system is not in the way, the electrical system. The messaging system that's saying for the knee not to go in a certain range of motion because it hurts, they take that component out of the way. So you not being conscious means the body's limp, and now they're able to manipulate it without the nervous system getting in the way, saying, whoa, that's going to hurt, that's going to be painful, to break down the scar tissue. So what are we talking about that's preventing the body from breaking down the scar tissue? The pain. So manipulation under anesthesia, doctors do that all the time. Patients increase range of motion in their knee as a result of manipulation under anesthesia. Well, what happens? They're in pain for a long time after that manipulation under anesthesia. And in addition to that, it's not addressing the underlying pattern that caused the restriction of the range of motion, the pain in the knee, development of scar tissue. So, short term, maybe a good thing. Long term, you can have a different strategy. And the different strategy is about creating comfort in the knee. When you create comfort in the knee, the joint relaxes. The range of motion increases, maybe only a little bit. However, that increased comfortable range of motion begins to work on breaking down that scar tissue. When we create comfort over and over again in the knee joint, the range of motion increases on its own because the knee doesn't hurt. The nervous system isn't telling the knee to stop that movement, and you're putting your body into a different neurological state that supports the recovery of the knee joint so it gets full range of motion back. That's what I had to share today regarding manipulation under anesthesia. If you got questions about manipulation under anesthesia or knee pain, please leave them in the comments section below. Like and subscribe to my channel. If the Knee Pain Guru, turn on the notifications for future videos, as well as head over to my website, take the 7-day knee pain reduction challenge to begin experiencing what I'm talking about as far as creating comfort in your knee joint to increase the range of motion so you can begin breaking down that scar tissue naturally without pain. This is Bill Paravano, the Knee Pain Guru, going to sign off for today. See you on tomorrow's video.